Hi everyone. In this particular tutorial, we'll actually learn how to start linking pages. Okay. Now, if you see on your right hand side, under the files, I have actually defined a website called RATM, and these are all my files. Okay. I have got some new files for images, which I'll be using it later. But as of now, I have this 5 pages. Right now, I'm on the home page, and my plan is that on this top we have this navigation panel, and I'll start linking each one of the page with this particular panel. So we'll first select home and we'll link it basically with the page. So we'll drag this to home page. Okay, we'll make sure this selected to home page. We'll connect members now, select members and connect it with members. We'll select political views and connect this with political views. Alright, we'll select media and we'll connect this with media. Alright, we'll select contact and we'll connect this with contact. Okay. Now, as you have seen the last exercise, we actually have made each of the pages. So if you double click on each page, it will open a different page altogether, although there's hardly any content right now. But yeah, so links are done. If we save this file and we preview this in the browser, okay, so we have this links. Okay, if we click on it, it will open the page. All right, so basically what I did is just connected all the HTML pages together with the home page. We will have this panel, this navigation panel, in all the pages later on, but to begin with, we are connected. All right, now let's do some basic formatting. Okay, this is a plain website, it's got nothing with this. So to start off, you have the CSS styles which will come to later. Okay, but to begin with, what most people do is that they do some basic formatting. Okay, now we don't need to do this, but I'm just showing you that this is how people start. All right, but we don't need to do this. We actually can go straight to CSS and start coding on CSS. But to basically make you understand what are the different properties that can be applied on a page, let me explain to you. So we are on a page and all we have is some links and some text. Okay, and we have formatted those text on different headings. Okay, we can do this further by clicking on page properties. Now we have these basic options that we can apply. Okay, for example, in appearances we can change the text color. Okay, we can change the background image or background color. So if I change the background color from here, okay, and apply, what happens? Okay, we can change the text color. Maybe we make it white. So all the text color changes. Okay, let's try an image. I have downloaded an image for Rage Against the Machine. So this is my background image. Okay, and I click OK, apply. I got a background image. All right. Now what else can I do? Oh, we have something called repeat here. If you're not sure if your image is big enough to take the entire length of your present screen resolution, and you don't want to repeat, by default it repeats. Which means that if the image is not able to fill the screen, it will start tiling itself. Okay, so this is one. So this is one. So another thing which I wanted to show you is that you can obviously choose a font from here. You have different font families here. If I choose a particular font family, it will go with that font family. All right. Okay, so there's something which I want to show you, which is links. Okay, this is very simple to understand. I think you have 4 different states of a link. Okay, there's something called link. We can change it. Suppose we make it green. Yeah, can you see the change? All right. So we have a link color of green. There's something called rollover link, which means when the mouse goes over the link, it will change to this particular color only temporarily. So we'll make it white. Okay. Visited link, pages which you have already seen. Okay. You can change it to say blue. Then we would know that we have gone to this page. That's another state. The active link, on the other hand, is when you're clicking it. It's only the temporary phase when you are actually clicking it. Okay. So we can just see something very dramatic like red. Okay. Now let's see how it looks. We'll save it and we will preview it in the browser. Alright, this is our page. Thankfully, the whole image is not repeating because it's able to take the whole of the page. Now you can see what's happening here. We have, when you move the mouse, it changes to white. It was a rollover link color. And when we're clicking it, I haven't released the mouse yet. Okay, I'm clicking it. It's showing me a red for a temporary point. If I go to it, all right, and I come back to it, All right. So this is how it works.